All right, we are live. What's going on, everyone? See if we can find some nice US 30 or NASDAQ trades. What's going on, everyone? All right, let's start with the US 30. See where we're at on the hourly. Yeah, I'm feeling like going for a pretty good trade this afternoon. Maybe try to grab 5 Rs or 6 Rs. See, I think US 30's got room to drop down in these zones here. Pretty choppy right now, though. Yeah, I could see price falling down here at 34,560. Took a pretty nice move on NASDAQ earlier this morning. Got in right here at the perfect spot. Boom, took some profit. TP smashed up there. I think NASDAQ is going to be looking better to trade. All right. And there's my king retail signal. There is some slight bearish divergence too. Slight bearish divergence. And I could see it going down on the hourly, so I might take this trade. So about 5 standards. I might take a sell here. Bearish divergence, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Stop loss just below that wick. And let's see if we get the quick drop. I mean, might have to take a quick profit down, and this is area here. Only risking 50 bucks on it, so I'll be happy with the 1 to 2. Grab 2 Rs out here. Looks like we do want to drop. We're getting a little bit of a drop. Drag stops down a little bit. Let's see. That'd be nice TP down there. We get I'm not going to close that profit, obviously. We want some bigger. I did reduce risk. I'm liking that bearish divergence, bearish kangaroo tail. I'd want to set break even when it hits here. If we drop down here, I'm setting break even. Let's go. Let's see the drop. Let's see the drop. I'm just using a kangaroo tail pattern indicator. That's the only indicator I'm using. And then, shit. See, we're going back up. Probably going to hit the stop now. If it hits stop, I lose $28. No big deal. And then I'm using this simple risk calculator. But besides that, I'm just using a simple price action indicator for kangaroo tails. Nah, not much. Still too choppy to really see a good move. I don't know. US 30 loves to play with emotions, though, that's for sure. Let's be ready for a sell on NASDAQ, maybe. I think NASDAQ's going to bounce up here, though. Let's go. I'm setting break even when US 30 hits 34,580. 34,580. No, actually 34.85 I'll set break even. Right here. But it could be a big drop. Could be a big drop. If we bust out of here, we're good. I'll feel more at ease once we drop below here. Disgustingly choppy. We need some of the stocks to wake up. Check out kangaroo tail scanner for some stocks. Other indicator I use is a kangaroo tail scanner. US 30. About to take our stop out. It's all right. We'll look for the next setup. We lose 28 on that. No sweat. Damn, too bad AMC. Too bad I can't trade AMC right now. Because there's a perfect bullish kangaroo tail. And if I were to buy this right now, I'd put a stop right here. My stop loss would be right here. And I would take profit at the next zone. Too bad trading is halted on AMC today. I would have definitely taken that. The main markets I'm going to be trading today is US 30 and NASDAQ. US 30 and NASDAQ. I want to see if this would be a good example to show anyone who's new to Kangaroo Tails. What's up, Manacandon? Two areas of interest for NASDAQ. Actually, three. Yeah, that's a good zone. Could maybe look for sells. Go for 3 or 4 R's. It's no different than trading something like the hourly. Only thing different is you got to make quicker decisions. But you can still make zones just like you do on a 1 minute chart as you do a 1 hour chart. But you may only have 5 or 10 seconds to make a decision. The motto is, if you wait, you're too late. So I say that's the only main difference. Just you got to make your decision fast. And you got to be willing to lose a trade within 5 seconds. You got to be okay with placing the trade and just losing instantly. Like this. This might be a sell. Is there divergence? Gotta see if there's divergence here. I mean, slight divergence. Let's get some calculations on here for a short. I mean, that's a pretty decent. That's 4 R's here. I might take a sell here. Maybe. I gotta check trading view. Check trading view candles also. Okay, no. NASDAQ wants to push up more. So I want to be looking for sells on the next zone. I want to look for sells up in here. See some moves down here. That would be a pretty juicy trade too. That would be a juicy one. You said you want me to look at USD CAD? I took a really good trade on USD Chef last night. I got in the buy. I made a nice $500. In fact, I'll show that trade. I'll show that setup. Oops. I entered a USD Chef trade yesterday on the 30-minute. I entered on this candle right here. Had a stop loss halfway down that candle. Smashed my TP, 500 bucks right there. Simple setup. I mean, all I was looking for is a kangaroo tail. Was it on zone? And boom, pulled the trigger, entered. All right, Adam, I will look at USD CAD. Let me pull it up. On what time frame, though? You said a TP 121,980? You might be waiting 4 or 5 days for that trade to hit. Let's get back to US 30, though. Oh, it did drop, though. Look at that. That would have been, oh, that's the drop I was looking for. Damn, that is unfortunate. Even if I would have entered, I probably would have been stopped out, and I would have been disgusted watching a drop like this. I mean, I could have done something ballsy and like maybe enter a sell once it wicked up here. Yeah, if you entered right there and you risk 50 bucks, that's 200 bucks in like 3 minutes. But that's interesting. That is not bearish divergence anymore. I do have an M. I don't know. Is that an M? All right, well, let's anticipate the drop. Anticipate the drop. And do some scenarios if it does drop here. I mean, it could go down. Maybe we see some kind of trend. Okay. That was a third trend line touch. NASDAQ could do a crazy rally and try to retest the highs of the day. A lot of possibilities here. But the hourly, okay, we look at the hourly here. The hourly shows, I mean, you got touches here. 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it bounces. So the hourly is showing downtrend. That's interesting. Or we could just 13,489 is a pretty hot zone. 13,489. Oh wow, it touched exactly where my TP was marked up though. Breaks the trend. Instant retest it. It's interesting. Very interesting. $13.49. That's a huge dump there. That would be a home run trade, though. I wouldn't mind a home run. I wouldn't mind a home run. Okay. Downtrend. Is that the third touch? 1, 2. Third touch, fourth touch. Let's see if it rejects off here. Rejects and goes down like that. Could be looking for sells in here. That makes sense. That does make sense. That'd be a perfect spot for a sell. Show us something, NASDAQ. My bias is very bearish right now, but I want to see it. I want to see it go up more. I want to see NASDAQ go right here, and then get the clean break, or I mean the bounce. I mean, the open price for US 30, the open price is way down here. I just don't know if there's enough time in the day for it to just come straight down. I mean, it could. When you look at this, this went straight up that way. There we go, NASDAQ. NASDAQ going up like I anticipated. These are the trades I took today. I actually took quite a few trades today. Yeah, these are all the trades I took today. The big winner was the $500 USD Chef. Had a couple losers, and we made a quick 200 on NASDAQ in 7 minutes. So I'm hoping to have at least a $200 trade in the next 35 minutes. What's up, Richard? NASDAQ is definitely going to be dropping hard. The question is, will I be able to get an entry? I mean, maybe I could sell now. I don't see a... That may be the drop, but it's not my signal to enter yet. If I wait, though, I risk... If I wait now, I risk on missing the entire move now. Stick with your strategy, though. Yeah, I'm hoping it doesn't dump right now. I want a clean entry. Oh my god, look how choppy US 30 is still. That is disgusting. See what's going on the 5 minute. Where's the open price? I don't know. Maybe NASDAQ will kiss the open price. I didn't realize we were that close to it. This trend line is definitely holding as resistance right now. If it breaks, though, it's going to definitely touch the open price. All right, trend line touch again, instant rejection. Okay, that's interesting. This candle might wick down. If this candle wicks down, I'm entering the sell because it'll be a kangaroo tail. Gotta be ready. So it'd be about... We do get the touch I was waiting for, but it's the first trend line break. This candle needs to close as a wick, though. And I don't think it is. 4 seconds. Nope, no kangaroo tail. Could be a break and a retest. Oops. Could be a break and a retest to go up here. All right, so it just retested that trend line like instantly. Could also be a fake out for buyers. Some tricky stuff going on right now. That's why you don't want to buy a break on a trend line immediately. Usually it's just going to come right back down and stop you out. We got 29 minutes. I'm optimistic a good setup is going to come. It's going to show up unexpectedly. I just got to be ready. Let's check what Apple's doing. Ugh, Apple's disgusting. It's not even going anywhere. How about Boeing? Okay. I'm looking at Boeing because Boeing is obviously a stock for US 30. So Boeing is on support. It would make sense to see US 30 to go back up a little bit and retest like these zones up here. I want to see a candle like this right on this zone. That would be pretty sweet. And then we could possibly take it down all the way. Has anybody taken any trades on NASDAQ and US 30 in the last 30 minutes? Let me know if you have. Let's check out that AMC kangaroo tail that we looked up. No, that would have lost. Thank goodness AMC is halted the trade right now. I'm wondering if it's so choppy on US 30 because of, isn't it NFP tomorrow? Damn, I might have to get up. Early tomorrow. Try to catch a big move somewhere. Tomorrow will be a good day to go for like 10 hours right away. Get that NFP open. Might have to look at my scanner for some Forex pairs for some swing trades the rest of the day if we don't get nothing going on US 30. Gold? I haven't traded gold in over a year. I'll take a look at it though. See what gold's done today. Check the 30-minute, nothing on 30-minute. Holy shit. Kangaroo tail at the top of gold, and it just dropped. Dropped like an anchor there. When was that? Damn, that would have been the time to trade gold right there this morning during London session. 2 hours before New York opens. That is a drop. You can get it. You could have gotten well over 20 hours on that trade. Well over 20 hours. You risk 100, that's a $2,000 trade there. If you got the balls to hold that long. You would have to be a pretty sick person to not take profit after 10 hours on that quick of a drop. But looking at this pattern, and this tells me to not trade gold until like tonight or something. It's done a lot of moving. And then it's just been sideways all day. And okay, US 30 is starting to pick up some steam. Starting to pick up some momentum. US 30 is showing a kangaroo tail on a trading view. Interesting, but not MetaTrader. Okay, I guess the US 30 might rally up. Might rally up to the highs. Kind of had a feeling it could do that, but there's no entries. Absolutely no entries. Sucks when the markets are this choppy. But some crazy stuff might happen in the last 10 or 5 minutes. Your ERO or ERO. I only trade on 1 minute. 1 minute US 30 NASDAQ. Sometimes I will enter a few 5-minute candles, like this morning. I don't know why I didn't enter that trade this morning, but this is on the 5-minute. Kangaroo tail is my entry, and it just it just shot up. How I trade here though? I would have entered right here. would have had to stop like halfway to the body. And that ran up for about 9 hours. All right, hold on. We got signals on NASDAQ, kangaroo tail. There's bearish divergence. It's almost to the open. Where's my lines? Where's my lines? 50. But do I think it's going to go to the open? Which would be about 10 standards. There's bearish divergence. I'm going to go in. I'm going to go in. I'm going to risk 50 on this. And I'm going to do a TP down here. Go for 3 Rs. This might be a big drop. Might be a fast drop. We're going to obviously this big of a move. I'm going to set break even right away. I'm going to set break even. Yeah, we went up 1 hour instantly, so I set break even. TP is right down here though. We're risk free right now. You saw how fast that happened. Let's go. TP, come on. Can we hit a quick TP? We're going for 3 Rs right here. Okay, I think that's a good TP, okay? I think it's a good TP. Let it play out. We're about 3/4 of the way there. Come on, baby. Let's hit that TP. Let's hit a TP on stream today. No, I did have a pretty late entry. As soon as I pushed sell, that thing started dropping. So I did not have the best entry. Ideally, my entry should have been right here. But because price moves so, by the time I push sell, price had already dropped 30 pips. So very, very bad entry. Nonetheless, I'm going for 3 Rs. I gotta turn this jazz music up. Yeah, this could be a TP song. Come on, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're up $100, but we want to stick it out and go for our TP. We want to go for our TP. Damn, it just needs to get past. Where does it need to get past? It's hung up right here. It needs to get past. Okay, there we go. It ticked past there, 124. Oh shit! There might be a bullish kangaroo tail that closes right there. We're almost there. All right, we'll lock it up 135. We'll lock it up. Could have waited a little bit, but you know what? I was close enough. Okay. I was going for 150. I'd take 130. But TP smash there. And it might go even further. It might go any further. You know what? I think I close. You know why I manually closed? I didn't want to go to break even. But you see what happened? If I would have waited 30 more seconds, that would have been another $100. Holy shit. Yeah, it could have been bigger, but you know what? We're not gonna be too greedy. Let me know if any of you took the sell with me. I hope a few of you took the sell with me. Please tell me a few of you took the sell with me. Because if you're still in, you're a beast. We just dropped 300 pips in 5 minutes, but yeah. That's how you gotta do. You gotta wait for your entry. That would have been a $200 trade if. Let me evaluate my entry right here. Let me evaluate my entry. So my entry is. Let's see, how many pips late was it late? Okay, I was actually 40 pips late on my entry. Yeah, if my entry was more solid, immediate, without waiting 5 seconds, my entry is like right here. My stop loss is like right here. And that ran about 7 hours from that entry. There's still 12 minutes left. See if we can get another quick scalp in. US 30 woke up. Wait a minute, there's another continuation king retail right here. I might enter a second trade. There's a continuation right there. Maybe. So I'd have to do 10 standards. No, 5. Wait. Yeah, we'll do 10 standards. All right, I'm entering again. King retail continuation. I'm either going to lose right away or we're going to get the instant drop. But we're willing to take on the risk. Instant drop or instant loss. What is it going to be? Instant loss or instant drop. I know I don't have much room, but I'm not looking for room. I'm looking for immediate drops. All right, that's okay. Lose that one. I mean, if you see here, even if I have a wider stop, you're still getting stopped on that. But this candle here, sometimes when you see a candle like this, it will just keep dropping. So that's why I didn't hesitate on that entry. You can't be afraid to lose instantly, especially when you're trading on 1 minute. And we're trying to get in and out. Dang, I feel like having a beer after I get off stream. It's well needed. What's US 30 doing here? Pretty good, pretty big bearish kangaroo tail. But then it was followed by a bullish kangaroo tail. There's 9 minutes left. There's going to be some big moves still. NASDAQ is either going to rally back up to the open price or rally here. We're either going to go here or we're going to go down here. But what makes sense? It makes sense for NASDAQ to just fall. That's what makes sense. I mean, the trend is your friend, right? All right, so we got some mini support, a mini support zone forming here. Support 7 minutes. There's gonna be some big moves in the last 2 minutes. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Damn, I see what US 30 did. I know a lot of people are putting sells in right here. But guess what market did? The classic fake out. Sells, people got stopped. Guess what? People put buys in. Guarantee people put buys in right here. They all got stopped. That's why we don't mess with fake outs. But this trade here that we took, I think it was a textbook drop because, I mean, look, you got resistance here. This is the tallest wick. Last time price was here was right over there. So some good room to the left. And it just drops. Shit. There is a bearish kangaroo tail right there now. But do I want to sell on support? I don't like selling on support. I like selling on resistance. Selling on support is how you get owned. Just like that. Rally by US 30. 5 minutes left. What are you going to do, NASDAQ? NASDAQ might shoot down. It might shoot down to 489. Like, it could drop 400 pips in like 3 minutes. My prediction is we're going to see a candle like this. We're going to see a candle like this. That's my prediction. It is coming up here to retest the trend line, though. The trend is your friend, I think, sometimes. Still a lot of time, a lot of time. All right, if we get rejection with the king of retail here, I am going to sell. We're not going to be afraid to sell. We're not afraid of the instant loss. This candle could have wicked down. There's 8 seconds. Could have wicked down. I kind of want to sell right now, but I don't got my candle. I don't got my candle printing yet. I mean, maybe it's gonna, maybe, okay. EVA, what happened? It came down here, kept touching, it goes up. So I guess it makes sense for it to rally the next 2 minutes. Oh, the market, the market. I was very bearish. Well, I was wrong. I thought there was going to be some big pushes down. I was wrong. Quiet end. Quiet end on NASDAQ. And just a super choppy day on US 30 for the last hour. Nothing. Absolute no setups. Just heard a signal. It was actually S&P. Let me check out S&P real quick before I hop off. I'm gonna hop off here in a few minutes here, guys. Thank you all for tuning in today. Hope you got some pips on that sell we did. I could have got more, obviously. Could have actually got a $200 trade out of there instead of 130, but that's how it goes. Live to trade another day. By the way, guys, I do stream every morning also at the open. I stream the open for about 2 hours, 6:30 a.m. Pacific to around 8:30 a.m. All right, guys, that's going to be it today. Hope you enjoyed.